Climate change is a world-encompassing problem, but it's hard to see the direct consequences in our everyday life because it happens over such a long time frame. Today, though, many locations and species are threatened by climate change from multiple angles. Climate change has many effects around the world, but today I'd like to talk about the broad issues of global warming using its impacts of ocean acidification, sea level rise, and habitat destruction, with examples from one affected species that may help illuminate the imminent threat to all ocean life. One of these impacted species is the green sea turtle. The World Wildlife Fund substantiates the green sea turtles are endangered and threatened by overharvesting of their eggs, hunting of adults being caught in fishing gear, and loss of nesting beach sites. However, these are only the currently known threats, and being herbivores, the destruction of their marine plant pastures can be directly attributed to the acidification of surface ocean water. According to NASA, in an article titled "Climate Change Seeps into the Sea" by Rosemary Sullivan, she says, coral reefs, some of the most biologically diverse places on Earth, are particularly vulnerable. They are already under assault from warming water, overfishing, and habitat degradation. The article continues speaking on the threat to entire ecosystem food chains in the South Pacific and subpolar Northwest Pacific, which contain green sea turtle habitats.
Global warming causes the polar ice caps to melt, which causes the sea level to rise. The amount of water in the ocean encroaches on the beach. Sea turtles use the beach for nesting. As the sea water encroaches on the beach, sea turtles lose their nesting habitat. Global warming is linked to extreme weather and severe storms, for example, hurricanes. These storms flood the beaches, which causes beach erosion, which also causes the loss of sea turtle nesting habitats. Not only does global warming cause a rise in ocean temperature, but it causes a rise in the temperature of the sand. Sea turtles are reptiles, and the genders of many reptiles are determined by what temperature the eggs are kept in. For sea turtles, an increase in temperature produces more female eggs. Therefore, an increase in sand temperature caused by global warming causes a disproportionate ratio between males and females. Although the future for the sea turtles may seem grim, groups, for example the World Wildlife Organization, understand that climate change is affecting sea turtles and is attempting to solve the problem. The World Wildlife Organization researchers are working tirelessly to fully understand all of the ways that sea turtles are affected by climate change and find the most effective ways to reduce the sea turtle's vulnerability to its effects. The WWF works with local communities to monitor and protect nesting beaches, especially in the Caribbean, where the threat of sea level rise is great.